fam, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today we're going to Koh Samui and Bangkok, and I'm going to be recording so much and I will have so much fun and I will be sharing that experience with you. So currently we're in the airport, just going to the lounge and chillaxing and all that, but I will also be going to Singapore, but I will not be recording so much there as last year. I was also there and I already uploaded a separate video for you guys. So yeah, well, I'll see you guys in Bangkok. Hey guys, so just about to take a nap, chilling. I'm also watching a movie right now. A few more hours to Bangkok. We have a connecting flight to Koh Samui. Got my snacks. Reading a book right now. Good book. So I'll see you guys in Koh Samui. Hey guys, so I'm here with a quick room tour in Koh Samui. So let's go ahead. So over here we have a wardrobe, right, and a nice table. We are currently eating right now. I'm with my mom. This is our really comfy bed, guys, and of course we have a beautiful view of the balcony. And best of all, we have our own mini bar with nice drinks in here, like Coke and all. Yeah. So today is day one of our trip in Koh Samui. So right now we're gonna go get some food, and then finally we'll go to the beach. I don't know if you can see it, but that's the beach right there. And there's also a wonderful pool. That's the kiddie pool over there. But there's a main pool. You can't really see it, but around there. So we're gonna go to the pool, and then we're gonna go to the beach and have some food that's around it. But tomorrow we're gonna be roaming around Koh Samui, going to some street markets and like that. So I'll see you guys at breakfast. Guys, so I just came back from the pool, as you all know. So it was actually really fun. They even had a built-in jacuzzi and a pool bar. I really liked the pool overall. Yeah, it was awesome. So I'm telling you guys, you need to come to Koh Samui. It's absolutely amazing. So right now I'm just gonna chill, and I will see you guys at the beach. Hey guys, so we're on the beach right now. It's an amazing view. We're gonna go onto the beautiful white sand as well, very white. And if you, I don't know if you can see, someone's made a very beautiful sand castle. So let's go into the water. Okay guys, so we're in the water currently. This is the sand castle. The waves are crashing. So beautiful. This is yeah, that's kind of all that I wanted to show you guys. Just how beautiful this beach is and how amazing Koh Samui is. So right now it is day 2 of Koh Samui. So we are actually heading to the beach right now, but I'm not gonna record much. I will show you guys some photos of dinner which we are having at a terrace. But yeah, tomorrow is basically our last day, day 3, because after that we are heading to Bangkok. Hey guys, so it is currently day 3 in Koh Samui. So I just got back from the beach and we're about to head to the town and see all the street markets there is in Koh Samui. So I will see you guys there. So we are currently at Central Samui, with basically a mall in Koh Samui. So yeah, that's around it. About Pride Month is going on, so shout out to everyone who is a part of the community. Well, we are just gonna roam around the shops. They have Popeyes, Tubes, Uniqlo, major brands. But yeah, we're just gonna have some fun. Currently at Parma. Never ever eaten here before, but I am a lover for Italian food. So I'm really excited. They have some good food. I don't want to order. So shout out to Palma. We are at Central Samui. Yeah, if you want to come here, come here. It's in Thailand, Koh Samui. Well, anyways, I'll give you guys some pics of um, dinner, but I will see you guys on tomorrow in day 1 in Bangkok. So see you guys tomorrow. Guys, so we are currently at the Koh Samui airport and we are heading to Bangkok. Yes, that is right. So just this is a very tropical place and it has a lot of like the airport is literally outside. It's not even inside, it's outside. That's how crazy that is. Well, anyways, I will see you guys in Bangkok when we reach the hotel. Hey guys, so we are currently in Bangkok at the Chatrium and I just want to give you guys a quick room tour of our beautiful room. Look. So over here we have all the coffee material. So you walk in and first you get the closet with the safe and then of course the beautiful bathroom. Then you have a nice mirror, what's up guys, and area to keep your shoes and your bag. So now we have a beautiful TV, then a few stand, I guess you could say, to keep some stuff. Then your sofas and tables. Then of course you have the best bed ever, guys, and we have bedside tables on each side. And now for the view, man, look at the view. So that's the Chatrium, a part of the Chatrium, and they have a whole river side actually. Look at the river though, it's so amazing. Yeah, so that's the view, and then you can see the bathtub from here and the shower. It's pretty nice, good lamp. Yo, you can lie here too. Comfy. I'm so excited to lie on that bed. It looks absolutely amazing. That's it for our tour. I will see you guys on day 1 tomorrow. So we are about to go to visit some temples and towers in Bangkok. It is one of the most tallest towers in Thailand. So yeah, I'll see you guys then. Guys, so we're currently bowling at Blue O. Yeah, so we have bowling balls here. I'm with my brother. I'm currently beating him because I'm just better. This is awesome place. Check it out, man. Amazing. There's so many lanes. Yeah, we're gonna have some fun and we'll go and see temples and towers. So I'll see you guys then. Guys, so we're right outside of the temple. It's really huge. I don't think you guys can see. Look at that. It's absolutely amazing. There's a statue of a goddess maybe. I'm not too sure. But yeah, check it out. So you're not allowed to go more up than this. So I'm just gonna take some photos and share. So we are currently at the 74th floor, and the craziest thing is this isn't even the highest. We're gonna go higher. Check it out. Oh my god, I'm actually gonna die. And the best part is on the 78th floor, it's a glass floor. Like I said, I'm scared of heights, so yeah. So now we're at the tallest tower. I will be sure to share you some pictures. Just check out the view. I'm so scared though. We're here on the glass bridge. It's so scary, guys. So yeah, it's a beautiful view over here. If you wanna visit it, it's in Bangkok. It's called the Mount Ekon, I think. Yeah, that's it.
Can you show us the view?
Huh? I can't.
Can you show the view?
So currently it is day 3 in Bangkok. I am enjoying life right now, man. But we are going to Dream World today. I am so excited. And if you guys think this is insane, just wait until further into the video. It's gonna get even more epic than this. Yes, that's right. And if you guys don't know what Dream World is, it's basically a amusement park in Bangkok. So you have some rides, the Hurricane, the Sky Coaster, and now the Raptor. Yeah, it's absolutely epic. Well, I'll see you guys there. So we're currently at Dream World in Bangkok. We're going to do some of the rides. Sadly, Hurricane is closed today, so we won't be able to do that. Yeah, so I'll show you guys some rides. Currently at KFC. As you can see, we've had an amazing time over here. We've done some crazy rides. Oh my god, the Viking, the one which goes like that, that was absolutely mad. Like I almost had a heart attack. And that's yeah, that's around it. And the tornado, I absolutely love that. I'm telling you guys, you need to come here. So right now we're just at KFC getting some lunch, and we're gonna continue with the rides. Yeah, there were other rides but which were inside and also did not allow any recordings, so I couldn't share that with you. But yeah, so I will actually see you guys at dinner. Bye. So it's currently day 4 in Bangkok and our final day, and then we're going to Singapore. Yes, that is right. So not only is it day 4, but it is also my mom's birthday, so happy birthday to her. So today we're just going to celebrate her birthday. We're going to actually be, cutting a cake at 4, and then we're going to this restaurant called Octave. It's a rooftop restaurant. We will be on the 45th floor. So, yep, that's right. So I will see you guys when we're cutting the cake. Just heading to the pool bar because it's my mom's birthday, so just wish her all a happy birthday. Yeah, so we're just gonna have a few drinks in the bar, and then we're going to the rooftop restaurant. So yeah, I'll see you guys there. So we're currently Octave. Yep, that's right, Octave. Amazing place. We are currently on the 45th floor. We're gonna have some crazy dinner. Epic view. So yeah, we're gonna have dinner, enjoy my mother's birthday, and I will see you guys when we're boarding a plane to Singapore and having more fun than last year. So I'll see you guys tomorrow. Hey guys, so we're heading to the airport right now, and we have an early flight because it's like 7:30 right now. Yeah, we're in a van right now. It's like the ceiling's really cool. So I will see you guys when we're boarding a flight. Hey guys, so we're just about to land in Singapore, and after that we're gonna go to dinner in this place called Boat Quay. It's absolutely amazing. And then on Sunday we're gonna go to Sentosa, so I will see you guys there. And I might be doing that giant swing thing which I did last year again. So we're currently at Sentosa in Singapore, and we're about to do the luge. So as you can see, it's a Skyline luge. They have 4 trails. So yeah, I'm not sure which one we're gonna do, but I have a lot of fun. But I might be able to record. I don't know. That's like the ride. Okay, guys. So right now we're gonna be doing the giant swing. It's kind of like bungee jumping. So I don't know if you guys remember, but I also did this last year. So this is gonna bring back memories. The funny thing is, over here the beach is closed because of a oil spill. Some ship wreck or something. No one died, fortunately. But yeah, we're here at Sky Park Sentosa. So it's an amazing place to come. It's quite expensive though, not gonna lie. But I'm so excited to do the giant swing which I did last year. So yep. Why are we doing this? This is more higher than this. Oh, I'm not Sit down, pull the trigger. Pull the trigger.
Awesome, thank you so much. Bye-bye.
Guys, so we just finished doing the giant swing. As you guys saw, we went all the way up. I actually got the GoPro footage this time, so that was absolutely amazing. I will be sure to show you guys. I will see you guys tomorrow at the water park which we're going to. Hey guys, so as you guys saw, I've been having an amazing time at Wild Wild Wet and also Adventure Cove Water Park. So right now I just recorded a few water slides I did because they did not allow cameras inside the ride, so I could not show you what it looks like on the inside. Well, it was epic, I'll just tell you that much. But yeah, so tomorrow we are going to be going on the VIP tour in Universal. So I will take some pics, videos and send them all to you guys. And yeah, so I'll see you guys tomorrow. Peace out. So we're currently at Universal Studios. So excited. We're about to meet Gru and Minions and shit like that. So we're about to do some crazy rides. I'm so excited. So I'll see you guys there.
This is the Cylon, aka the Death Ride.
So we're currently at Universal Studios with our VIP experience. So we're about to meet Minions, the Rob, Stuart and Kevin. I'm super excited. So we've done the Cylon and Human. It was absolutely amazing. Right now the Hollywood section. That's where we have to go to meet the Minions. Yes, that's right. So I will show you guys some photos, but sadly I cannot like record in there, so only photos are allowed. But yeah.
Take a video. Oh yeah, there's a bottle there.
We are currently watching the Waterworks show.
catch you on fire.
Okay guys, so this is my outro for this amazing journey that we have had on this 2-week vacation to Thailand and Singapore. I hope you guys enjoyed. So we just finished the waterworks. I hope you guys enjoyed that. It's been absolutely amazing. So I'll see you guys next time. Peace out and thanks for watching. Bye.